In this episode of Tech Under 400 Pesos, we will take a look on the SHIVTECH SHIV 809 keyboard. This keyboard is targeted for multimedia office use with some unique features. And inside, we have the unit that is wrapped in plastic with no user guide or manual in sight. The looks and build is angular, that attracts a more aesthetic perspective without any keyboard backlight. For the build, the keyboard is made out of ABS plastic, which is good, but not on the premium build quality, and also no cable braiding that I may say. A decent build quality. So let's talk features. The keyboard has multimedia keys and the entire keyboard is 114 keys overall. On the media keys, it is made out of rubber, which is a nice touch. So on the left, we have the mute, calculator, Windows Explorer, browser, and the email keys. On the right, we have the media keys like the play, pause, previews, next, and the volume controls that I do say a bit off, since the volume up is on the left and the volume down is on the right. So the performance of the keyboard is very well presented, that the profile is not too short, but with its slim profile, the keys themselves are a bit spongy and mushy to my experience. But the spacing and the sound is very well satisfying over time. And the ergonomics that includes an elevation stand gives the keyboard a more pronounced comfortable experience to use. Let's talk about the ups and downs. The 809 has some flaws that the build should be better with a braided cable and no backlight or RGB. That it is a struggle to use on a darker environment. But at least for the price, it is a great bonus to have with multi-keyed keys. Slim profile that does not sacrifice key travel, and also the longevity that this keyboard can last is really great. With that said, the 809 is a nice keyboard to have in the office and workplace. For its angular simplistic look, to be said, a nice touch to have. With that, leave a like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell notifications for more. I am signing off. Thank you.